In this video, we're going to talk about the 10 most dangerous animals in the world. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. In the world, there are two categories of living things, plants and animals. Our focus today is the animal kingdom, where we have millions of species across the various genus of the earth. You may have only seen less than 1% of the animals existing on this planet. According to animal records, most animals are friendly unless they sense danger. As a mechanism to adapting to the evolving environment, most animals develop a survival mechanism of either being too aggressive or dangerous to the other existing ones. Interaction between animals, including humans, therefore requires knowledge on the danger it may cause to a fellow animal. People always go to game parks, reserves or zoo parks to interact with various fellow species. It's now of great value to know each animal and the danger it can cause to you. Here's a list of the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Let's start. Number 10. Elephants. These are the largest existing animals of the globe, with their males measuring over 3 meters high and the weight up to 6 tons and can live up to 60 to 70 years. Elephants are herbivores who constantly feed to maintain their big body growth and requirements. It is observed that it can take up to 3/4 of its day feeding. This makes them clear vegetation and destroy plants that may lead to desertification if many of them are kept in a small area. A charged elephant can move up to 30 miles per hour and does not give up till its mission is accomplished. When charged, it has been noted that several people have lost their lives after being trampled on by the big animal. In South Asia, the animal is known for raiding houses and croplands, killing people, destroying properties and causing deaths. This is only a result of humans encroaching on the habitats of these animals and eliminating their food sources. Hence, they have no choice but to visit the humans' crops for food. Number 9. Scorpion. These are arachnids with 8 legs and a segmented tail. Scorpions are rare to see since they are mostly nocturnal, mainly active when most people are asleep. This is why it's difficult for someone to substantiate the danger that can be caused by a single sting. A scorpion is venomous. A single sting will lead to swelling and reddening accompanied by pain that does not ease for a longer time. In severe cases, there are reports of people losing their lives due to scorpion attacks. It is the venom produced by the scorpion that makes it one of the top 10 deadliest animals of the world. Number 8. Hippopotamus. Hippo is a large, semi-aquatic herbivorous mammal that is mainly seen on land at night. This animal is deadly when in water during the day. This animal, when angered, always swim across the water body, knocking down any object on the water surface. Many fishermen and travelers on the water surface have perished because of this animal. Or at night, this animal roams free around the water body it lives in. Anybody or animal that will be roaming around and come into its vision will meet its death instantly. The hippo too is a destroyer to plants. It always destroys any plant or crop that comes in its way due to its phenomenal size and strength. This has made this animal very dangerous to both plants and fellow animals. Number 7. Bee. This is an insect of its principles. It has a lifespan of about 30 to 60 days. We always hear people associate bees with good things like helping in pollination, sourcing sweet honey, and always being busy minding their own business. Sources close to bee farmers indicate that bee has also contributed to the death of people and animals across the globe. Bee attack, though not majorly witnessed, is one of the stings that none will wish to experience. The people that die of bee stings are usually allergic to them. Furthermore, bees only sting when they feel that they're severely threatened, because when a bee stings, it dies immediately once the stinger is ripped out of the body. One of the witnesses of a bee attack on a cow indicated that bees attack as a group. Once one is aggrieved, it produces a pheromone that alerts the rest of the bees to come fully harmed for the attack. The sting from the bee is painful and if not treated immediately, might lead to an allergic reaction or death if the individual is allergic to bees. Number 6. Dogs. They say a dog is one of man's faithful friends, but fail to tell us that you must be the owner. A dog is a wolf-like animal, domesticated for purposes of protection and a pet. A dog is only useful to the owner. Any stranger will act as the enemy and will raise the dog's aggressiveness, hence the immediate attack. There has been a rising trend of dog attack all over the world. Children have suffered dog attacks that lead to life-threatening diseases like rabies, lymphangitis, endocarditis, tetanus and cellulitis. It's important therefore to always vaccinate your dog so that in case of bite incidences, the person attacked is safe from the deadly diseases. Unvaccinated dogs at some extreme disease conditions may become more aggressive than they even attack their owners. This is how deadly this animal can be to people and other animals. Number 5. Mosquito. This is a tiny fly-like, slender segmented-bodied insect that majorly thrives well in stagnant water points. The name mosquito is associated with malaria, a human killer disease. The insect is tiny and always depends on people's blood for survival and egg formation. The female Anopheles mosquito does not only feed on the blood but also transmit a deadly disease. The World Health Organization has orchestrated on their website how this tiny mosquito, who on most occasions come to us singing sweet melodies, has led to the death of people worldwide. Scientists have come up with mechanisms to tame the survival of the animal, only to be surprised that it became resistant too fast, making mosquitoes number 5 on the top 10 deadliest animals in the world list. Number 4. Lion. This is the king of the jungle. If it were to have the same mental capability as man, then man would be extinct by now. A lion, Panthera leo, is a mammal that is cat-like but bigger, with a muscular body, rounded head and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. They are sexually dimorphic. Adult male is always larger compared to the females. This animal never feeds on grass. You understand what I mean? It is a carnivore, with all the adaptations including carnassial teeth that help it to grip the prey. To elaborate on how dangerous this animal is, there was an incident where a troop escaped from the zoo parks and invaded a nearby village. People lost their lives and livestock were killed, leaving the village in a quagmire state. The lions are apex predators who keep populations of other animals in check, as nature is after all a fine balance. Number 3. Crocodile. A crocodile is a semi-aquatic reptile that is large with very large and visible scales all over the body. The size of the crocodile makes it easy to be differentiated from other reptiles, for example the monitor lizard, gecko and lizards. Crocodiles are mainly carnivores, hence a predator to most animals living either in water or on land. Why is crocodile a deadly animal? This is explained well by the adaptations of predators. This animal is faster in movement both in water and land. Hence, once it has spotted a prey, the target is to kill it and have its meal. Many people have lost their lives worldwide because of crocodile attacks, let alone other animals. This animal therefore is a serious threat to the survival of other animal species across the world. Number 2. Snake. Who thought that an innocent animal like a snake could be too deadly to a man and other creatures? A snake is a long, rope-like reptile that has scales covering most parts of its body. Snakes have no limbs, hence speedily crawl and mainly live on land, especially in caves, after chasing away the occupants of the caves. This reptile is further classified into various types depending on size, color, its habitat, and what it feeds on. However, most of them live on dry land, while some adapted to live in water. When under threat or looking for food, these animals become very dangerous and bite every object they find around. Why is this animal very deadly? A question that most people will answer easily. Some snakes are poisonous and/or venomous. Once it bites another animal, it injects its venom that will kill the animal when not properly treated. This is why snakes earn themselves a spot on the top 10 deadliest animals in the world list. Number 1. Human. In all history, humans, also known as man, is one of the animals with the largest brain capacity, hence capable of controlling all other planet animals. Having the ability to control all the other animals, man is believed to have evolved from ape species. Dryopithecus to the current Homo sapiens has negatively impacted the Earth in one way or the other. This has not only endangered the life of most species of the world, but it has led to the extinction many of fauna and flora species on planet Earth. First, the survival of man is fully dependent on other animals and plants of the Earth, but the rapid increase in human population is a great threat to planet Earth. Hence, humans earn the number 1 spot on the list of the deadliest animals in the world. With the rise in human population, there has been a degradation of world's resources. Entire forests are deforested, impacting climate change on a massive and irreparable scale. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.